Welcome to day 2 of my 5-day smoothie week. Today, we're fueling up with a Muscle Power Oat Smoothie. It's fruit-free, sugar-free, and has zero protein powder, just pure natural strength for recovery. First, soak 1/3 cup of rolled oats for about 15 minutes. Soaking is crucial to reduce phytic acid, which helps your body absorb minerals better and makes the oats much easier to digest. Next, soak 8 to 10 cashews. These provide healthy fats that act as fuel for your muscles, for natural sweetness. I'm adding a tablespoon of raisins. They are packed with antioxidants and fiber. After 15 minutes, the oats are soaked well. I'll strain them and rinse under running water. Now, into the blender go our soaked oats, cashews, raisins, and my muscle-boosting secrets, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder. Cacao is rich in antioxidants that help reduce muscle inflammation after a long day. And 1 glass of water and blend until creamy. Loaded with complex carbs and healthy fats. This is the perfect dinner smoothie to reset your strength. Give this a try tonight for better muscle recovery. And don't forget to subscribe to Rach-Cooking for day 3. See you tomorrow.